Is it time to buy or sell MicroAlgo stock? In this video, we will explore MicroAlgo in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 22nd of April, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You won't want to miss any important updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Utilize the power of AI and receive free price predictions and detailed analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be construed as financial advice. Since the 22nd of April 2025, our system has identified MicroAlgo as a strong sell candidate, assigning it a score of -6.09. Now, let us examine the stock's performance during this time period. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to observe how it develops in the days ahead. The stock is positioned in the lower part of a very wide and strong rising trend in the short term, which often presents a favorable buying opportunity. Should the lower trend floor at $7.34 be breached, it would first indicate a deceleration in the rate of increase, and may also serve as an early warning of a potential trend shift. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of 151.33% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from 87.72% to 627.78%. In terms of a longer perspective, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of -26.16%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from -100% to 1,898.01% over the next year. In practical terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $0 and $196.40. Our latest daily update for MicroAlgo includes the headline, High Volatility in MicroAlgo Inc. Stock Price on Tuesday, which ended trading at $9.83. The MicroAlgo Inc. stock price dropped by 17.12% on the last day, Tuesday, the 22nd of April, 2025, falling from $11.86 to $9.83. During the last trading day, the stock experienced a fluctuation of 25.38%, with a day low at $9.65 and a day high of $12.10. The price has declined in 8 of the last 10 days and is down by 52.44% over this period. Furthermore, the trading volume decreased on the last day alongside the stock, which is generally a positive indicator, as volume should align with stock movements. On this last day, the trading volume fell by 66 million shares, with a total of 11 million shares bought and sold for approximately $108.17 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $509.60, while the lowest was $1.11. Currently, the price is 98.07%, or $499.77, below the 52-week high, and 99.93%, or $14,290.17, below the all-time high on December 13, 2022, when the price reached $14,300. MicroAlgo Incorporated recently made headlines as its shares surged by 45%, reaching $17.15, following Wyoming Hologram Cloud's announcement of increasing its stake in the company to 67.65%. This significant investment, accompanied by a 10-year lockup period for the shares, signals strong confidence from Wyoming in MicroAlgo's future prospects, likely fostering increased investor interest and pushing the stock price higher in the short term. However, MicroAlgo also plans to issue additional shares at an offering price of 80 cents per share, raising concerns about potential dilution of existing shareholders' equity. This move is part of a broader strategy linked to a $20 million convertible bond purchase agreement aimed at funding future operations. Such actions could temper investor enthusiasm over the long term if perceived as a method to cover operational costs rather than driving growth. On the innovation front, MicroAlgo has been active in developing advanced technologies, including a multi-simulator collaborative algorithm to enhance quantum computing performance. These initiatives indicate a commitment to cutting-edge solutions, which could bolster its market position and attract long-term investment as the quantum computing sector expands. In summary, while the short-term outlook appears positive due to WIME's increased stake, investors must consider the implications of share dilution and ongoing financial strategies that may affect stock valuation moving forward. Analysts have assigned MicroAlgo stock an overall sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell as well. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also assign the stock a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for MicroAlgo. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. MicroAlgo Inc. stock displays sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative outlook for the stock. Additionally, a general sell signal arises from the relationship between these averages, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. In the event of upward corrections, there will be resistance at levels of $10.70 and $10.73. A breakout above either of these levels would trigger buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Monday, March 31st, 2025, and since then, the stock has declined by 59.46%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is a current sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. The volume has decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which lowers the overall risk since volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence sell signal pivots, sell signal 16 days ago. Bollinger buy signal 229 days ago. Short-term moving average buy signal 3 days ago. Long-term moving average buy signal 3 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages buy signal 2 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average sell signal 7 days ago. The long-term moving average sell signal 23 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages buy signal 30 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for MicroAlgo. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $8.34. Without support from accumulated volume below today's level, the risk is increased as a drop below the support may lead to a significant decline in the stock price. This stock may experience considerable fluctuations throughout the day, and with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is considered to be very high risk. During the past day, the stock moved $2.45 between its high and low, or 25.38%. Over the last week, the stock has had an average daily volatility of 46.04%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for MicroAlgo, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we'll discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest a lack of profitability and present risks of bankruptcy. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for MicroAlgo. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for MicroAlgo is at $11.86. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a consideration for swing trading. On the downside, MicroAlgo faces its first support level at $8.34. If this support level holds, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for MicroAlgo from multiple analyst sources is to sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock occurred over 3 months ago. The latest transaction took place on the 30th of September, 2024, when SBI Securities Company Limited conducted an insider purchase of 0 shares. Currently, we hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is no stop loss in place. Is MicroAlgo stock a good buy? The stock of MicroAlgo Incorporated currently presents several negative signals. Despite a positive trend, we anticipate that MicroAlgo Incorporated will struggle in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, our assessment of this stock is negative. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have revised our conclusion for this stock from a buy to a strong sell candidate since our last evaluation. After examining the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 23rd of April, we expect MicroAlgo to open higher by approximately 696 ten-thousandths and begin trading at $10.53. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. It is important to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.